Hey everyone, welcome back to the basement, and today we're taking a look at the CAIYUN folding bed. This is one of our recent purchases as we get ready for the holidays because we need some extra space for sleeping. We don't want everybody just sleeping on a couch being uncomfortable. This CAIYUN folding bed is a 75 by 31 inch bed. So that means that it's tall enough for somebody like me who's 6'3", yet comfortable enough for most anyone. It's weight rated to 300 pounds and it's pretty simple to use. All you have to do is let the legs up on either side and then you make sure you lock them into place. Then you go ahead and drop either side down and you have yourself a 75 by 31 inch bed. The mattress itself is a 5-inch mattress, so it's not comfortable enough for a long-term sleeping option like 4 months or anything like that, but for a short stay, this is perfect. For the holidays, a perfect addition to the home. Once you're done with it, you do everything in reverse. You just lift up either side, put the legs up, and then you can go ahead and store it away. And storage is where this comes in. Once you get everything packaged up, you go ahead and throw this cover on it, and then it's nice and clean and put away properly, and the mattress is even protected. Construction of this folding cot is probably one of the easier ones. It essentially comes in 4 parts. You have the legs, and then either side that you all have to put that together with the base. It took me about 15 minutes. Compared to some other beds, this is one of the quicker ones. But what you want to know is, would I recommend it or would I buy this bed again? And to be honest with you, I would. We've used several folding beds or folding cots and they generally work out really well, especially for guests for short-term stays. Airbnbs is another option for a bed, or just to have a spare bed in case somebody pops by and needs a place to stay. It's comfortable, easy to put together, the wire mesh holds up to 300 pounds, and overall, it's just a great quality bed. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.